What happens if I lose all my money? No. You need to use it as serviced accommodation. So instead of renting it out by the month, you're gonna rent it out by the night. You could be generating anywhere up to £2,000 to £3,000 per month. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how one property investment can replace the average UK salary. So welcome to Property Investing with Gordie. I've helped thousands of people over the last few years create real wealth through investing in profitable UK property investments. The property market has consistently grown, but one of the biggest questions I always get asked is, how do I replace my income through investing in property? And you know what? The answer is simpler than you actually thought. Choosing the right property investment, it will just take one property to replace the average salary. So what's the average salary? Well, it depends where you are in the UK, but if we just take a range from £25,000 to £33,000. And let's talk about strategy. So when you invest in off-plan, the end result can be buy-to-let or can be serviced accommodation. So let's just say you purchase an off-plan property, and let's just use York as an example, because that's where we've been operating recently. Let's say you purchased a £300,000 property. Everybody knows, it's been all over the news that the property prices in York have been grown exponentially. So let's say they grew up by, easy numbers, 10%. So you put down a deposit on a £300,000 property. So you put down £75,000. Over the 12-month period, what's going to naturally happen to that capital growth? Well, the property price is going to rise, and let's use the figure of 10%, it's going to go up to £330,000. So automatically, straight away, through investing in one simple investment, just by the capital growth, you can make £30,000 on just one investment within 12 months. But here's the great thing about it. If you're operating not as a buy-to-let, but as a serviced accommodation unit, what's then going to happen? You're going to make more money every single month, because you're not just going to put a tenant into the property, rent it out to them, and get money every single month. No. If you want to make more money than that, you need to use it as serviced accommodation. So instead of renting it out by the month, you're going to rent it out by the night. So instead of making £800 a month, as you probably would within the York market, you could be generating anywhere up to £2,000 to £3,000 per month by using that property as SA. But guess what? We've not also included the capital growth. So let's say York also grew by 10% next year on your £330,000 property now. It's now going to be valued at £363,000 plus on year 2, since you started running it as serviced accommodation, you'd have also got an income of £30,000. So over that 2-year period, you could have made anywhere upwards of £93,000 on one investment. If you're listening to this and you also want to create true wealth by investing in UK property, I want to work with you and I want to speak with you. Click the link below, fill in the form, and you'll have a personal one-to-one call with myself or one of my investment consultants. Look forward to speaking to you. So let's discuss, why do people not do this? Why is everybody not jumping on this bandwagon? Well, number one, it's because people don't know what they don't know. They don't understand what they're doing. You need to understand how to do this legally. Number two is also not understanding where the right areas to invest are, what the right developments are to invest in. We study this day in, day out to find the best developments and the best area to make sure it generates you the best profit possible. Number three, you don't really understand the property buying process. And this is one of the biggest things that people always say to me. I really want to invest in property, but I just don't understand the process. And again, this is something that myself, Redmayne Smith, can help out with. Finding the development, picking your apartment, going through the solicitors, we help you every step of the way. And number four, the fear of it going wrong. What happens if I lose all my money? All the developments that we put you in touch with, you can't, because you've got deposit protection on it. I see property as a bank account. So if I've got £50,000 in my bank account, I'm losing money on inflation. All I'm doing is moving that £50,000 to a property bank account. That property now gives me a monthly income plus goes in capital growth. So I hope you enjoyed this content on how you can pick in the right development in the right area, replace the average salary within just 1 year. If you want more content like this, make sure you please subscribe, hit the like button, and I would love to hear all your comments. Leave them below and see if you agree or disagree with me.